Jood Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.
Ywaruok omoko e kind riwruok mar gavanas kod jood bura ewi omenda ma loso apeyni kata road maintenance levy fund ka gavanas nodhi e doho kadwaro mondo mi omenda no omednegi ewi omenda michiwo ne counties, gino ma jood bura kwedo. Kaka Lydia Okeo leronwa, jood bura go koro dwaro mondo riwruok gavanas mondo gol bura no e doho, nono to gisingo mar rem kadho chik ne od bura ka giwacho ni counties onge gi ratiro mar dwaro meto mar omenda no.
En twak manochuo chieng' e od bura odiochieng' manyoro, twak ewi omenda mar loso kendo rito apeyni motesi ni road maintenance levy fund makoro kelo ywaruok e kind riwruok mar gavanas kod od bura mamalo. Omenda ni ma ichiwo ne duol mar kera maloso apeyni manie kor gwenge osebedo kanie bwo piny owacho mamalo ka tije mage irango gi od bura. Kata kamano, riwruok gavanas ne odhi e doho kadwaro mondo mi omenda ni omedi ewi omenda ma osebedi ka imiyo counties higa ka higa.
So instead of defending, why don't we also attack? So that we are all fair. The National Assembly has very many brilliant minds. But I don't know, like Paul says in the Bible, you foolish Galatians, who bewitched you? Foolish parliamentarians, who bewitched you? Why are we allowing people to always attack parliament? When we also have brains, we can also attack in courts. If they want to take away care that helps our people, then let us go to the constitution.
Jo od bura oseo riwruok gavanas kuom okang' makamano ka koro gisingo wita kucha chike mamoko ma igeto chwali e od bura mamedo omenda moko mag dongruok ne counties ponono ne riwruok gavanas orem golo bura no e doho.
The original proposal was to have 14 counties plus Nairobi. There were supposed to be only 15. We ended up with 47. During this period, we've seen what is happening. Most of the counties, as a matter of fact, have nothing to show for. You go to counties, what the governors do are cultural festivals. In a year, there'll be 6-7 festivals. You don't even know which one you are at. There'll be this, there'll be that. County governments are building posho mills, others are building rice mills, things that even the central government is already divesting from.
My grandmother has been growing cassava since Kenya became independent, Mr. Speaker. That's what you are being shown in devolution conferences. There is nothing serious that has happened in terms of devolution since devolution came into place, Mr. Speaker. Truth must be said. We must be truthful to the people, Mr. Speaker.
Giwacho ni counties negi ich lach ka gilero ni onge apaya mora mora e kor gwenge ma iloso gi counties omiyo omenda no mar konga apeyni gipango mana yako.
And I'm not asking members of parliament, I'm asking Kenyans. Kenyans can tell us which governors are doing any roads anywhere. If anything, Honorable Speaker, what happens is that the roads that are being maintained by KERA, governors then duplicate the same roads so that they loot from public coffers, Honorable Speaker. And we must call out this corruption for what it is, because it is nothing other than blatant corruption.
These people who are calling themselves here Nairobi, Kera and Kura, these people must know that these are organs of national government. They are not part of county government. They are oversighted by this house.
Man en jakom riwruok gavanas Anwai Guru ne odhi e doho kadwaro mondo mi omenda no maromo siling bilion 10.5 omedi ewi omenda maromo siling bilion 439.5 ma ichiwo negi higa ka higa. Lydia Okeo, Ramogi TV.
Jopiny ma kwan yoingo 200 e gwenge ma Kaksingre, Isindo e Suba South